Hi everyone, this is Jaden from E Group, and today I've got something real cool to show you guys. I've got the DJI D14000iE generator. It is an all-in-one power and charging solution for your high performance needs. So both models feature a 30-litre fuel tank, fuel consumption of around 500 milliliters per kilowatt hour, and an AC output of 1500. So what you're getting is the same efficiency, but just a lot better performance. And what that better performance means for battery charging is for the DB2160, charging from 30 to 95% only takes 8 to 9 minutes. Okay, that's the main specs covered. Let's get this boy opened up. Now we've got the box open, we can prepare to take the generator out. So quick word of warning, this generator is around 87 kilograms. So I highly recommend you and a friend unbox it together. You can also cut the box and slide the generator out, and that should make life a lot more easier. Okay, now we got the generator out, just a heads up. So after you take the generator out, inside at the bottom, you will find a cardboard box. And inside will be all of your wheels and your handles and the funnel. Okay, now that we've got this guy unboxed, just do a quick round just to double check that on the intake and exhaust you don't have any packaging covering them up. The D14000iE also comes with two handles, and they're real easy to install. So first, line up the handle, stick the included bolt through both sides. Then once that's done, include a nut, other side. Real easy, and then to tighten, use the included tools. The D14000iE also comes with two wheels. We've got the wheel shaft, we've got a washer and a retaining clip. It's nice and easy. Shaft through the wheel hole here. There we go. Washer, and then we finish it off with the retaining clip. There we go. Do it this way. Just push through. Nice and simple. Okay, so before we can add fuel to the generator, we've got to activate it first. Grab your battery and plug it into the generator. Nice and simple. Sweet. So the generator will use the charge from the battery and turn it on. Nice and simple. Okay, now we've got the battery plugged in, all we have to do is just activate it. Nice and simple. So grab your remote, grab your USB-A to USB-C data cable. Now, just a heads up, not all cables are data cables, so if you grab a normal charging cable, it might not work. And then on this port here, USB-A, plug in your data cable. And then right here on the generator, USB-C, plug that in. And here on the controller, DJI Address, device management, charging device, and you'll see up here. Sweet, so I'm at the back of the generator here, about to add our oil in. Keep in mind, this here is not the oil intake. So it is this yellow cap down here. You'll find the oil intake down here. All you have to do, unscrew, pop that off, grab your included funnel, pop that in, and you're ready to add oil. So today I've got 10W30 oil. The top of the generator does recommend 10W50, but they work, both of them work just as good. So all you have to do is now add in your oil. I recommend adding in around 1 liter, give or take. Okay, so now we've got our oil in at the bottom. We're ready for the gas. So the gas cap is right here, nice and simple. Pop that off. And I recommend for your first time turning the D14000iE on, I recommend add around 4 to 5 liters of fuel. If you look right here as well, you've got a fuel gauge. Nice and easy. Okay, so now we've got the fuel added to the generator. We've got the oil added at the bottom. We're ready to turn this baby on. So if you want to come here, we've got the main switch. We've got off, on, and start. All you have to do is hold it down for 3 seconds on start. Just personal preference though, I always like using a cooling station. It keeps your battery a lot cooler, makes it more efficient, and just preserves the battery life. Sweet, so hold it for 3 seconds. This has been the D14000iE unboxing video. I'm Jaden from EE Group and thank you guys for watching.